the last video, I showed you how to trade with the ADX a little. That falls under technical analysis, you know, looking at graphs and shit. Even though I'll use them for fundamental analysis, which is trading the news, I'll use them to help. Basically, this is the other side of the coin, fundamental analysis. Here we go. Basically, let's take last Friday, for example. Non-farm payroll, biggest announcement on earth. As far as Forex is concerned. Look at the average spike. Now multiply these by 10, that's how much it moved instantly. Because my MetaTrader breaks it down into 5 decimal points, multiply this by 10. Anyways, I mean, they're huge. The average is 60, the next highest is something. I don't know, I got it on an Excel document, which I don't even feel like looking for, but I can send it if you'd like. Anyways, let's play this bitch. I'm going to show you how to blindly trade the news, because the idea is basically they're forecasting something. They're saying, you know, they expect in the month of May 170 jobs to have been created. Well, shit, 5,000 jobs to be created, because the last time it was this. And so anyways, it was better, so it was green. 175 is greater than 170, so there were 5,000 more jobs created than they expected, which is good for whatever currency this is, which is USD. So the US dollar got stronger, okay? So just, whenever this is green, just remember good. Okay, so USD is good. Now, so let's see what this is. CAD, Japan, let's do this. So a good thing. Now, here's the euro versus the US dollar. It is the euro divided by the US dollar. The bigger the denominator, the lower the number, so it goes down. You see what I'm saying? It got bigger, you know, the denominator got bigger because this was a good thing. So this dropped. And unless there was an announcement equally as great, if not greater, than this for the euro, you know, it would take an ass load just to balance it out. Anyways, just remember, good, that's all you gotta remember. Is it good or bad? For whatever currency, go find a pair, Euro USD with it, you know, and just notice, is it the denominator or the numerator? If it was USD versus the euro, which isn't even in existence, it would have gone up, because the numerator would have gotten bigger. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, so let's just see. Just for demonstration purposes, again, this was a bad number, so it probably went up, and sure enough, it went up. Alright, see right here, that's the spike it's talking about, right here, at 8:30 on the fucking dot. That's the spike. So, let me show you how to blindly trade the news, because the thing is, you know, I don't know if it's going to be better or worse. I just know that it's a big-ass announcement, and it comes out on 8:30 every first Friday of every month. 8:30 a.m. So, here we go.
And 1 minute. Over to non-farm payrolls, the headline change in non-farm.
That guy speaking, by the way, if you want to listen to him. FX9.com. News radio. God, hurry the fuck up. Hold on. Is it, what the fuck? Sorry about that. I'm gonna pause this until my computer gets its shit together. Whoa, hold up. God damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Hold up. Okay. So click to listen, Forex. And every now and then you'll hear this dude talk. He talks more often whenever an announcement's about to come out or something. So, anyways, that's how you get him. He's pretty helpful, mainly for countdown purposes. But basically, you don't have enough time to click buy or sell. By the time you fucking press F9, it's already done its spike. So, what I do before an announcement, I go and get ready.
Payrolls the median consensus stands
Place
for
a bunch of
not to
pending
be an
orders
FOMC.
above, like, here's some resistance kind of in this general area. Just plop it above it.
But there's
So
really
if it hits it, I
significant
assume that it's
market
going to
moves
go
we
up.
saw in yesterday's session
This-
with a significant sell-off in
Shut the
the
fuck up. So this green line is my entry. If the announcement makes this graph shoot up, it'll enter at this green line. I've got my stop loss a little below it, so it's, otherwise a lot of times it can hit it and then just drop 400 points instantly, like before you even know what the fuck happened, and you just lost God knows how much money. So you have to use small stop losses. Usually I do the smallest amount I can, like 30 or something. It depends on the pair. But, just go through and place a bunch of fucking orders. And if you look up something about correlation trading, in fact,
heading in towards the data, the Euro-SEC rate currently trades
that dude
at session
talking?
lows of 866.24. So just 1 minute now till that Swedish data. Industrial production expected at 0.3% month on month. Year-on-year IP expected at 0.7.
this is just more convenient when I've got a more in-depth one over here, but whatever. So, say I think that, okay, this is Euro GBP. I don't even know if it has one. Okay, say I think this is going to go up. Well, if it's going to go up, or it's either going to go up or down. Okay, so I can pick the one with the highest number right here. And usually I like to do it with the Euro USD because it has a perfect negative correlation with the USD CHF. When Euro USD goes up, this goes down. So I just pick the highest amount, or the highest number here, absolute value that is.
And 10 seconds now for the Swedish data.
Oh, perfect timing. Let's go see if this does anything. Oh, what do you know? Hitting a fib. Like a news announcement is actually happening right now. Cool, I'm making this video, I guess.
It's minus 0.5%
Oh, made
and minus
89 bucks on that.
0.8% for the Swedish IP, so lower than expected on both counts. Industrial orders at minus 10.3% and year-on-year at plus 1.7%. So seeing immediate weakness in the Swedish krona. Eurosec now spiking to session highs, 870.78 last year. The high print in Eurosec after printing the session lows heading into the data, reversing that trend completely.
Now, you see how small these spikes are? There was not a lot of movement with this announcement. Okay, the biggest spike, 30, I guess, is when the announcement came out. I mean, that's fucking,
Swedish budget balance, a surplus of 22.7 billion krona.
this is pussy shit, okay?
And focus on the industrial production figure, much weaker than
Now, I'm
expected.
shutting this dude up.
So
This
Swedish
fucking
krona
pissed me off.
weakening markedly against the euro currency.
Shut up. Alright. Anyways, so correlation. So basically, if I thought that the Euro USD was going to go up at the announcement, but I wasn't sure, because no one's sure unless you have some kind of fucking inside knowledge with some fucker in some other country or something, I don't know. If you figured it out, let me know. Shit, leave a comment. But anyways, Euro USD, if I thought it was going to go up, I would hedge it with the USD CHF, because you can't place a pending buy and a pending sell stop, both stops that is, at the same time, because that'd be like saying, hey, if you flip a coin and it's tails, I win. If it's heads, I win. So you can't do that. So there's a way around it. You can place a buy here and a buy here at the USD CHF, because if this does not go up and it goes down, then this goes up. So one of them is going to work. And I'll just use other correlations, or you don't even have to think about it, man. Really, to be honest, if it's big ass announcement, just fucking place a pending order somewhere above like support and resistance and just wait. One of them at least is going to get hit. And it might get stopped out. I think some get stopped
Dollar
out here.
index.
Watch. Now you saw that announcement that was over here. Pussy shit. Now watch this announcement. This is the biggest one on earth.
10 seconds.
10 seconds till it happens.
Oh, it's gonna go crazy. 175 That's 175,000. The unemployment rate at 7.6%. The previous revised lower to 149,000. The net at minus 12,000. The headline higher than expected, 175,000. Unemployment rate above forecast at 7.6%. For the change in private payrolls, 178,000. Manufacturing payrolls minus 8,000. Average hourly earnings flat at 0. Year on year at 2.0%. The BLS say they're not seeing the usual seasonal increase in federal employment. That's coming straight out of the Labour Bureau. They're seeing a spike high in US stock futures, and Tino seeing initial downside.
And so basically, you see how fucking big these are? First Friday every month, 8:30
So
in the
the
morning.
unrounded unemployment rate there at 7.555%, so being rounded.
Shut up. Anyways, you see what happened. I set a pending order, it hit it, and then it's either going to do one of two things. It's either going to immediately smack the stop loss like it did on a couple of those things.
A spike high.
Well, you just saw it. It was like negative $17, negative something, 40 something, I think, on another one. But then it's immediately compensated by the ones that kept going, which I had trails. See, none of these have take profit unless the trails are like 80 or something. Go try to set a trail. You'll see what I'm talking about. For EuroCAD, for example. And see, news trading is something I'm new to. I've been doing technical analysis as long as I've fucked with Forex until like the past 2 months. But I do like fundamental now. I feel more comfortable because I know both sides of the coin, or I'm learning at least. But anyways, let's just click something. Sell. Look how big this fucking, it's gotta be 80 points at least. That's kind of gay. So I usually set a take profit of 80. You really don't even have to think about that, man. I mean, remember it later if you want or something. But anyways, point of the story is, no take profits. I just trail. I have stop losses, small, usually as small as I can make them, which vary by the pair, but it's usually about 30. In this EuroCAD case, it'll probably be about 80. Shit, let's see. 80. Oh, well, it's already moved, so. Anyways, it's giant. So I try to avoid these weird ones. You'll get a feel for it. But, yeah, so to sum up this video, wait for a big ass announcement. Go to Forex Peace Army. God damn it. Wait for a big ass announcement, which, if you wanted to do the math, which is what I did for every announcement, which I could send the Excel document, you know, it'd be, you just take the average of this number, and if it's bigger than the rest of the averages, then it's a big announcement. This is the biggest one by far, on average. So anyways, wait for a big announcement, just know what time it comes out, know the date, and then just start setting pending orders above, like, kind of a, you know, I might set a buy entry here, the buy stop right where this white line is. If it hits, because it's like a little bit above this resistance, if it hits it, then I assume it'll keep going, have a small stop loss in place, and a trail stop, so if it goes up 500 points, you basically just got all that. And so that's how to trade the news blindly without knowing what the fuck you're doing, really. It's pretty cool. It's kind of a long video, so that's all.